Guys, how to fix automatically a desktop screen or whole screen of your computer zoomed in on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of issue, screen zoomed in automatically, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is go to Windows settings, right click on start button and choose settings. And in settings from the left side, go to system, select system, thereafter go to right side and here go to display, click on it, scroll down and go to a scale and layout section, and under scale select drop down menu and choose recommended Windows recommended size %, and also display resolution set as per Windows recommended resolution. This is the first workaround to fix this issue and check whether your zoomed in error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, launch Windows settings, right click on start button and choose settings. In Windows settings, go to Windows update from the left side, click on it. Thereafter go to right side, scroll down and click on update history. Scroll down and choose uninstall updates. Sometimes it happens that any Windows update you install and after that this problem will arise. Then surely this is the main cause of your zoomed in screen. So Windows recently installed update, uninstall it. After that, restart your system. Your problem will definitely resolve. If not, go to the next fixes. Update display adapter driver, right click on a start button and choose device manager, and in device manager go to the display adapter section, expand it, right click on display adapter driver and choose update driver. In the next window, choose search automatically for drivers and window will update your display adapter driver, and your issue regarding zoom in automatically